Good morning, everyone. All of you open your workbook, page 88. I'm gonna solve some questions from the workbook, page 88. So here's 17.5 again. Here's the volumes and surface areas of cuboids. Part 3. Recall, we took that the first one, the volume for the cube, L cubed, the volume for the rectangular length times width times height. Number 2, the surface area. Surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times height times width plus 2 times length times height. This is for the rectangular prism. For the cube, 6L squared, 6 times L times L. Now open your workbook, page 88. I'm going to tell you something here. HW or WH the same thing, LH or HL the same thing. Now question 1, A, work out the volume of each cuboid. Here remember you have to work on the same unit. So let's take the first one, A. It's very easy. A, volume equals 5 times 8 times 4, then find the answer. B, the volume equals 2 times 8 times 3, or 3 times 8 times 2, 3 times 8 times 2, then 5. Here remember this is millimeter cube, this is centimeter cube. Now for C you have to know that here we have a cuboid. Here the length is 1 meter, the width is 50 centimeter, and the height is 15 millimeter. Look, here we have different units. We can't work on meter, centimeter, millimeter. So you have to change all of these things to millimeter. So this is already exists. Now 50 centimeter, you need to multiply by 10. So 50 times 10, 500 millimeter. Remember that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. Now this is 1 meter. You have to change 1 meter to millimeter. So first of all, change 1 meter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, and 100 centimeter multiply 100 by 10, which is 1000 millimeter. Now we can find the volume, length times width times height, which is the length is 1000 millimeter times the width 500 millimeter times the height 15 millimeter. Now here we have 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 times 15, which is 75 millimeter cubed. Now for the second question, work out the surface areas of each cuboid. We have here the surface area. Question 2. The first one, all these units in centimeter. B, we have the length 5 centimeter, the width 2 centimeter, the height 5 millimeter. So here I'm gonna work on the on B. Now on B, this is 5 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and the height 5 millimeter. So you have to convert each centimeter to millimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay, so here the length is 5 centimeter, the width is 2 centimeter, the height is 5 millimeter. You can change all centimeter to millimeter or millimeter to centimeter, that's up to you. So here okay, So here I have to divide by 10. So 5 divided by 10, 0.5 centimeter. Now the surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times height times width plus 2 times length times height. Substitute now. 2 times length 5, the width is 2 plus 2 times the height 0.5 times the width 2 plus 2 times the length is 5, the height is 0.5. Now here multiply, then add the result. 2 times 5, 10 times 2, 20 plus 2 times half times 2, it's 2 plus 2 times 5, 10, 10 times 0.5, which is 5. Now add 20 plus 2, 22 plus 5, 27. 27 what? Centimeter cubed. Centimeter squared. Sorry, centimeter squared. Since here we are talking about area. So surface area squared. Surface area squared. Now see the same thing. See the same thing. Now for question 3, here we have volume. So the table shows the volume of dimensions of some cuboids. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cuboids. So you have to work on these. Let me do the last one, F. Question 3F. Question 3F. Look at the table. Question 3F. Here the length is missing. The width is 12 millimeter. The height is 8 centimeter, and the volume is 288 millimeter cubed. Here we have 8 centimeter times 10 to get 80 millimeter. Now here the volume equals length times width times height. Now substitute the volume 288, length missing, the width 12, the height is 80. Now 12 times 80, this is 0.96 times L equals 288. Now it's an equation. Divide both sides by 960. By 960 cancelled. So here L equals now 288. Do it in your notebook. Use the long division. Here use the long division. Equals 0.3 watt millimeter. Now thank you so much and have a nice day.